Although 2/5s are a pretty important part of playing music, there is so much more to learn about improvisation. Dave Pollack is doing an absolutely free workshop this week. Now, I'm not sure if he's going to go over this technique, but he will be exploring and addressing some of the most important aspects of improvisation and teaching you how to simply do it. Some of the topics may include why notes don't always equate to being musical, the foundation of harmony, voice leading secrets on how to create melodic solos, and of course, how to make up tasty 2/5s.
Tasty.
So click on the link, sign up. It's absolutely free, and you're getting an education, a free workshop from one of the best guys out there. Thank you, Dave. Just remember, always positive, always progressing. Later.